Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today we'll be drawing a colorful unicorn. Please grab your black marker and let's start. We're gonna do its head first. So for that, let's do like half oval. Now let's add the eyes. So I'm gonna do two pretty big ovals. Inside, we're gonna do a circle and then another one on this one. Now let's color the space inside. We're gonna leave that circle white. Let's do it here. Just like this. Now let's add eyelashes. Here we go. Now after that we're gonna add a curved line. Now let's add a smile. And we can even show the tongue. That would be cute. Now it's time to do the horn. How are we gonna do it? So right in the middle, we're gonna do line 1, 2, 3. Then almost like a triangle at the top. Then the same thing here. 2, 3. Now let's connect. Beautiful. And we have the horn. Now we're still missing a hair. Now let's do some pieces. Let's add like this. Now let's do the same kind of thing on the other side. To here, and then one more like this. Decide how you want it. You can even add one more at the back. Now let's add the ears. You can add one more on this side. And now you can do, that's cute. Very nice. Now let's do the body. 1, 2. Let's add a line here, and now let's continue this line all the way here. Now let's add another one here. Just kind of going the same way. Now it's good. Now let's do the body itself. So our unicorn is in a cup. So I was just doing the cup itself. Now we're adding the body. That's good. From there, so we have like the unicorn inside something. So kind of it's easy if you put a dot here, and you can even add like a line here. And now let's connect, like let's do a cup. How we're gonna do it? Like on this side, just bring in here. And now on this side, bring it here. And I can connect it. That's good. Now let's add a handle. Like this. That's beautiful. If you want, you can even add like a little bit more here on this side. That's good. And you can think maybe it's going to be a star on your cup, maybe it's something else. I'm going to add a few hearts to make it nice and cute. That's nice. And our unicorn in a cup is done. So put the marker aside and let's color the unicorn. You can decide what color you want it to be. It can be yellow, orange, pink. Your favorite, maybe it's blue. So grab your favorite color. Mine is yellow. I think it's a pretty happy color. this part I'm going to do a different color, so I'm going to leave it for now. I'm going to do the ears. And let's do the body. That's good. Now the next thing, I'm going to grab a very pale pink and I'm going to color this part here. I'm going to leave the tongue white for now. I'm going to do it red later on. So now I'm going to grab red. That's good. Now the next thing, what should we do? Let's do the horn next. And again, decide what color you want it. What is your favorite color? Mine is, again, yellow. So, or maybe you want to do it colorful. That would be very nice as well. Now let's do the hair. And I'm gonna use different colors. I'm gonna start with blue. Let's see, what else can we use? What other colors can we use here? Let's do orange. Look at this, so colorful and bright. Now let's do more pink maybe. And while I have pink, I'm gonna do the cheeks here just to add some cuteness. That's good. And now let's add some orange. And that's the last one here. And we're almost done with this one. Now let's think what color you want your cup to be. And while you're thinking, let's do the heart red, or maybe you want it pink. Mine is gonna be red. And we're gonna do these hearts. That's so cute. I love it. Now let's do the cup itself. Now I'm gonna grab a darker purple and I'm gonna just add a little bit. But again, you can use your color, the color that you like. Just be careful. Those details are small. Yes, one final touch. Let's finish our unicorn. And I'm using the same tone I was using before. And our unicorn is almost done. If you want, let's see, maybe we can add like some cute details to make it nice and pretty. Our beautiful artwork is done. Guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.